At Fischer Plumbing, we provide emergency and service plumbing, drain services, sewer repair, repiping, water heater installation, remodel plumbing, and heating installation. At Fischer Plumbing, we demonstrate a respect and an empathy for a person's situation. It's not just a job that we do, it's a service that we provide. If a customer calls Fischer Plumbing with a plumbing emergency, we want them to know that it's an emergency for us as well. And what that means is we're going to get out there really quick.